Hello, this is Keegan Edwards with Liquid. Thanks for joining this video regarding how to get set up with recurring orders and subscriptions by Bold. So in this video, we're just simply going to review your options for getting the Bold code, and that's the code that you need from the app to display the option for subscription ordering on your actual website. How to get that installed when you first get set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is we've installed Bold here. So I'm in the app section, and Bold prompts me with a terms and conditions that I need to agree with in order to install this on my site. So I've read through this. You need to read through this to ensure that you agree with everything that's going to be installed on your site. And once you do, then you just go up here to the top and accept the terms and continue. Now, once that's done, you're going to have three options to have the installation completed for you. And again, what this means is if you're familiar with subscription ordering, and I'll just pull up an example here, subscription ordering appears on what's known as the product detail page. So if I go into a site here and I go to any of the products, you'll see here the option to subscribe and save. Well, this is powered by the code that's actually installed by the app onto the website template, which gives it the functionality to go in here and select to subscribe to the product on a recurring basis. So this prompt that you see here in the app is asking you how you want to get that code installed into your template from the app. And you have three options. The first option is to do a manual installation, which means that if you're comfortable with writing code on a website, you can click on this option and it'll go through and it'll give you the instructions for installing the code manually. So if I just click through on this button, you'll see that it'll show me the code and it'll walk me through how to install that in my template. If you're familiar with HTML and CSS, you'll be able to write that code, but if you're not a programmer, you're not familiar with front-end web development, I would not suggest doing this because you can really screw up or damage your template for your website. The other option that you have is to do an automatic install, which is in a beta or is in a brand new testing mode for Bold. So what this means is and they give a nice little description here, is our installation robot will add all relevant code to your Shopify theme automatically. Don't worry, we back up all updated files and offer exceptional support if things aren't quite right. So there is the unfortunate circumstance where things could go wrong with this installation, but what they're telling you is that they've backed up your website code and template so that they can set it all back up for you if there is a problem. However, this might work for some folks with a simple website template that doesn't have much customization on it. You can try the beta version, which is an automatic installation. You click this and follow the prompts, and it'll automatically install that code on your template. Or you can take the third option, which is called an expert installation, and it may take 2+ days to complete, so it has to be business days to allow the Bold Commerce team to take care of it. But this will allow a Bold Commerce expert to complete your installation, and they will validate that everything is installed properly and make sure that everything is working on your site as you intend it to with this installation. So what that means is they'll actually have one of their programmers go in and do the manual installation here on your template, but again, you'll have to allow for some business days to turn that around, and this is a free installation as well. So your first step, once you've accepted the terms and use, is to select the way that you want the code installed on your site, and you have three options: a manual installation, which is a DIY, do-it-yourself, an automatic installation, which is currently in test mode, but will automatically and immediately set up the code on your site, or you can select the expert installation and request for a programmer at Bold Commerce, the company, at their company to install it on your template for you. So thanks very much. Join us for more videos as we cover different ways of utilizing Bold and other apps on Shopify, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.